Windy. It's all over the phone. Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Jack, Bass Guy, a Bass Guy show, and I'm walking down the street here with my cane, and the temperature is plummeting. It's going to go down to minus 28 at some point the next day or two. It's snowing right now, and it's Groundhog Day. So in honor of Groundhog Day, I'm going to the store that's closed. Our store was open for 85 years, and they sold it to 3 new guys, and after 3 years they went bankrupt, but they left without telling anybody. They got up and split and didn't even tell the staff, let alone the loyal patrons that have been going there for decades and decades. The store's down the street, and they left in such a hurry. It was about, 2 or 3 weeks ago they left. The Gazette is still being delivered to their door. So I've been going by the store every day to pick up my free copy of the Gazette. Imagine being open for 85 years and then you shut down. Well, it's the new people, specifically the new people who no one knew. They always looked at me like I was going to steal something. It fell off. And now I have to go to the Couche-Tard and live off hot dogs. So I'm going to go get my free paper at the closed store. So I do the Bass Guy show because I have spinal damage and it's hard for me to do anything. I come out for a short walk every day, and former bass fans of the show, fan base of the show, the Bass Gang, got me a car. I'm very grateful for that. It was amazing. Drove it for 4 years. But then I gave it away because I thought, well, if the food store is so close, I can just walk to the store and it'll be better for the environment and my health and everything. And then they closed the store. So as I said, in honor of Groundhog Day, you come to the store every day for, I think, 12 years every day by foot. I'm coming back to the store. One question was, is the food still on the shelf? Well, we can go have a look. And yeah, people have been coming here for 85 years, and then they just shut it on a dime without telling anybody. So here's your free Gazette if you want to come pick up a copy. There's about 4 Gazettes a day. And yeah, women at the wheel. And if I look in, yeah, all the food is still on the shelf. I can see bottles of wine and booze. I can see chips and Coke and peanuts. And over there, yeah, everything is still on there. So come and get your free copy of the Gazette. There you go. It's been like 3 weeks now. I'll be selling them at the Couche-Tard outside. I'll be scalping the Gazette for half price. $1.50. That free. How much is it usually? $2.17 plus tax. There you go. There's over $5 worth of paper right there. It's getting pretty stormy right now. It's snowing and it's windy, and the temperature is going to plummet to like minus 18, I think, tonight, and then 28 on Saturday or something. Extreme weather warning in effect. So get your ski pants ready, order your Chinese food, order your pizza, your cases of Coke, cases of Pepsi, and be prepared, as Frankie McDonald says. St. Thomas Street. We got Arctic weather upon us. It's super windy, getting super cold super fast. The super Couche-Tard. Couche-Tard will save us. It has saved us. Right all along. So, as Pat was saying, that my new cane has superpowers. It's a new identity for me, and it can do things. It's a foldable, adjustable. Soon we're going to be adding a radio, AM and FM radio, a light, a calculator, laser beam radio, a camera holder. I'm going to add things to it. I can open doors with it. When I cross the street, cars stop for me. And you can also do cool things like, if you liked this video, click here to subscribe, click here to watch a new video, and click here on the website. Thanks for watching.